Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock HONOR Magic 8 Pro without password. Okay, but before we begin, let's discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using recovery mode, and it will cause that all of our data will be erased. That's the only method, so we need to remember about it. Third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it, or there is a second option, and it's signing in into the same Google account into which we are signed in before we have resetted our phone. So we need to remember about it. So we will have to sign in into the same Google account to verify ourselves. If you don't want to lose your data, you can try to go into the authorized center and there look for help. But if you want to go forward, follow my steps. As you take a look, my phone is locked. I cannot remember the password. I can even lock it, just to show you that nothing pops out right in here. The phone is locked for 30 seconds. Now click on power key and volume up, and click on power off. Okay, now we need to enter recovery mode, and we do it by holding power key and volume up until we see the HONOR logo. When you see the HONOR logo, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. So start by holding volume up and power, and now quickly release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. Okay, we are in recovery mode. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys, as you take a look. If you want to confirm the selected option, click power key, but the touchscreen also works, as you take a look. Now select factory reset, confirm, type the word yes using your keyboard, and click on factory reset. The process will begin. It won't take long, because deleting the data is always faster than installing something. Okay, 100%. Now go back and select restart. Okay, now our phone will be turned on, and the next thing that we have to do is to go through the setup process. And of course, also you have to verify yourselves. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.